Welcome viewers. Here I am with question number 11 of exercise 18. Your chapter is trigonometry for standard 10 by Amal Agarwal book, as you can see in this picture. So let's start. Let's see what is given in the question. Prove the following. Cos theta into sin 90 degree minus theta plus sin theta into cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to 1. So we are going to prove it. Let's see. First of all, we have copied LHS. So as it is, I have copied. Now we can see that here is cos theta and sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. So I have written cos theta plus sin theta as it is copied, and then cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. So instead of writing cos theta into cos theta, I have written cos square theta, and sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, we know this formula that is equals to 1, which is equals to RHS. It is proved, and whatever we have used, all the entities we have shown here. Okay, and thus your answer is solved. Let's see second number. So in book, question number second, 11th second, tan theta upon tan 90 degree minus theta plus sin 90 degree minus theta upon cos theta is equals to sec square theta. So please show here. I have copied the question. Then LHS tan theta upon tan 90 degree minus theta plus sin 90 degree minus theta upon cos theta. So tan theta, and instead of writing tan 90 degree minus theta, we have used whatever formula we mentioned here, that tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta. So instead of writing this, we have written cot theta. Okay, and for sin 90 degree minus theta, we have written cos theta. So we have written here, as well as we mentioned here, that sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Now you can see cos theta both are cancelled, that's why it is 1. And here in this side, tan theta, and instead of writing cot theta, we can write 1 by tan theta. That is also a formula, that 1 by tan theta is equals to cot theta. Then we will change the position of tan theta. It is the reciprocal, that tan theta into tan theta, it is multiplied with numerator. So it is tan square theta, and here is 1, and tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. That is a formula, so we mentioned here, and that is our RHS. So proved. Now let's see 11th third. Our question says that cos 90 degree minus theta into cos theta divided by tan theta plus cos square 90 degree minus theta is equals to 1. Prove it. So I have started from LHS, that cos 90 degree minus theta, cos theta, whatever I have just copied. So instead of writing cos 90 minus theta, I have written sin theta, then cos theta, and instead of writing tan theta, I have written sin theta by cos theta, and mentioned here that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta plus cos square 90 minus theta is sin square theta. Now we will change the position of this number. So sin theta into cos theta, please bring it back, the camera. Sin theta by cos theta, this cos theta will be multiplied with the numerator, and sin theta will remain here with denominator. So we did it here. Cos theta is here, sin theta is here, and this sin theta cancelled, and after that there was sin square theta, so we just copied, and here is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equals to 1, and that was our RHS. So proved. And we have mentioned that thing also here, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. That's why in my previous video always I said that before starting the sums, please memorize all the formula, and if you want to see how these formula came, please go through my videos where I have proved all the formula also. Okay children, then it is very interesting to solve sums of trigonometry. Otherwise time and again you have to see the formula. Okay, so please memorize the formula before solving the sums. Now see question number 11th fourth. Sin 90 degree minus theta into cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We are going to prove it. First of all, LHS was sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 degree minus theta, and we know that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, mentioned here, and cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta, mentioned here, because we are using entities. Now we have written is at equation 1, because after this our question stopped. Okay, we can't solve after this one. After that, what we'll do, we will start our RHS and try to bring it up to this one. So tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of writing tan theta, I have written sin theta upon cos theta. And we know that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, mentioned here also. So we did it. Then sin theta by cos theta as it is. And instead of writing sec square theta, I have written 1 by cos square theta. Because sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Whatever we have used, we just mentioned here. Now we will change the position of the number. This cos square theta will multiply it with sin theta. So sin theta by cos theta into cos square theta. So 1 cos theta will cut 1 cos theta from here. That's why I've shown the square mark with cut sign. So what is the remaining thing? It is sin theta into cos theta, equation number 2. Now see, since equation 1 and 2 both are same, sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, equation 1 is equals to equation 2, that is LHS equal to RHS, proved. So in this video, up to this question, very soon I will come back with next question, children. Till then, bye bye.